yesterday we got this exhaust from eBay for this Honda Civic. The one I got on there got a bunch of holes on the bottom because we're about that low life. So I'm gonna swap this thing out. Hopefully we don't have to do no cutting and welding. Listen to this thing. Oh, drop the phone. Perfect. Alright, now we can fit the jack under there. Alright, we got her on the stands. Let me grab some cardboard. Show you what this thing looks like. Oh yeah. You see any holes up here? Oh, not too bad, just flattened out. This is the main section that's fucked up. Also, we got these cracked up headers that were welded once before, but that didn't last too long. Taking this stuff off. Oh, that's the wrong size on that one. Nice. We got different size bolts on this thing, so let's switch around. Alright, we're on the back side now. Definitely want to try and get one of these if you don't have one. Makes life 10 times easier. I should have had the car jacked up over here, but we'll get it in or off. Oh, it's a tight spot here. Oh. Gonna have to resort the double wrench. So, I was just talking about that good old Ryobi, but they don't want to do the job this time. The power of WD-40. Alright, now make life a little bit easier. Now, I can get that bolt out down there, pull this whole section. Let's see if we can hit this bolt out. Alright. Now, we got these rubber guys over here. Oh, she's almost ready to go. Oh, only one rubber guy. Let's see if we can get it off. Oh man, alright. Well, we got another rubber down there. Let's take her away. Alright. There she is right there. Let's see if we can. I don't know if you guys can see. Just gotta really try and handle these things off. Sometimes some are easier than others. Alright. damn cardboard. Come on. Come on. Alright. Hell, man. Pretty beat up. Alright, here's these two babies over here. I'm gonna pull them off real quick. Man, were those some fighters? Oh, this might be a little tricky one. You guys in the way here. Come on, damn it. Get that turd out of here. Alright, so we're gonna try and crack all these guys free. Oh man, we're running out of juice here. Just want to spray a little bit on here so that helps us out. I know this stuff's been on here for a long time. Come on, baby, get on there. Alright, we got a couple squirts on them all. Let's start with this guy. Oh, nice. Just gonna break them all free real quick. She's already coming loose. Alright. Now, we got this O2 we're gonna unplug. Get that off down there. Maybe we should move this out of the way. For now, that'll go there. We'll wipe that before we put it back in. Alright. They're out. Make sure that you clean this spot up a little bit. Wherever your gasket is going to be going. I got a little bit of sandpaper and this rag. Just going to make it a little bit cleaner. Got one more to go. Alright. Put this together. Alright. Now we got this good old O2 to get out. See how this goes. I don't have no pipe to put on for leverage. You know what? Let's see what we can do with this. I gotta wedge this thing somewhere. Let's see if we can pull this one off. Maybe. believe that? Got the motherfucker out. Still looks pretty decent on the threads. Alright, now this is out of here. Like that for some leverage. Okay. Alright, we got all the bolts in place. We're gonna get these tightened up. You really want to do a little bit each one. Keep going from the middle to the side out. Back in there. Oh, come on. Alright, we just swapped over all the rubbers. I'm gonna try and bolt some of these pieces together. Alright, we got this test pipe on. Now we're ready to get this piece on. Let's get these rubbers on real quick. It started raining, so I tried hurrying up. Didn't get as many clips, but I got everything all tightened up. She looks pretty good. Now I just gotta clean up, lower her down, start her up. Nice and quiet, man. Open up this window so you guys could hear. It's got a little funny sound. It's quiet on the low RPM, so you can cruise low key. Here, check it out. Oh man, that low life. Doesn't sound too bad. It's a lot better than that big loud turd can I had on there. see the height underneath. Got the heat cranking. Got the exhaust going. Honestly, man, I don't mind it. It seems if I want to keep it down low, I can. So it's pretty good for the cops, I would say.